Hello students, இப்போ 12th standard business next second revision exam ஓட 1 mark answer key பார்க்கலாம். First one answer option C, option D. Second one answer option C, third one answer option B. Fourth one answer option C, fifth one answer option C, sixth one answer option C, seventh one answer option C, eighth one answer option C, ninth one answer option D, 10th one answer option D, 11th one answer option C, 12th one answer option B, 13th one answer option B, 14th one answer option C, 15th one answer option B, 16th one answer option C, option D, 17th one answer option C, 18th one answer option B, 19th one answer option D, 20th one answer option B.